All right, good morning, everyone. How's it going? Shout out to all my favorite Niner haters. There we go. That was a great game over the weekend. Lost my voice. Goodness gracious, that was a wild game. But yeah, sorry, Dallas Cowboy fans. Now we're moving on to Green Bay and down, pack down. All right. So that's what I'm looking forward to this week. All right. So, okay. So I hate to be that guy on Twitter that says, I told you so. I would never say that, but I'm kind of telling you now that the global markets is not going to take inflation news and also rate hike news lightly. Okay. Maybe the market's trying to factor in the rate hikes right now. All right. So we'll see where that goes. Right now, so far, QQQ, the tech sector, obviously NASDAQ and the Dow is down as well. Pretty bad earnings, or not bad earnings on Goldman Sachs. So that's the news. And also 10-year rates are on the move above 1.82. And so that's going to have an effect today in the market. So we can see the QQQ moving down to 374. So what I'm projecting here so far, if we're gapping down, of course, it's going to fill the gap up a little bit this morning. And 372 is a key area to hold on the 0.618 fib level. And then, of course, 369, which we saw last week or last Monday, might be a good test area. There is a volume shelf here at about the 367, 368 level. So I suspect that there will be a little bit of bounce here. If it's weak, then, moving average 200. But hey, you never know, right? NASDAQ might pump later just because the Dow is down right now. So you could see money flow into back over the tech sector. Now, if the if the Q moves back over 379, that'll be a considerable opportunity to buy calls. But if it hangs out down here, then it's going puts. Now there is a lot of open interest and high volume for $360 puts for February 18th. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and move over to the SPY real quick. SPY, not doing terrible. It's down about 4.75 points at this point. So some of the key levels here so far that you want to watch to see if it holds is, of course, let's see right here. Yeah, it's just bounced off the ATR stop here. Last Monday hit about 456, and then below that, of course, would be 451 area. So we'll be keeping an eye on SPY here. Now, AFRM is a good one. Now, I do like AFRM for short. Looks like the bottom is, there's just no bottom to be found with AFRM right now. So I'm looking at $61 for AFRM. And same thing with ups. If you guys are looking at ups, same thing, getting just tortured out there. Literally hit over $400 back down 75% since the highs. Is just ridiculous. So that's it for the day. What else do I have? Oh yeah, SQ. I held SQ Square or blockchain, whatever they want to name their company now. $130 so far in the pre-market. We'll see where this one goes tomorrow or goes today. I am holding some January 28th calls or January 28th puts on Square here. So all right, so that's it for the day, guys. Be safe out there. As I say, I don't know where the bottom is. Obviously, no one does. But as far as the interest rates go and the rate hikes, it's going to be really interesting to see what happens and what transpires this week. So if you are a bull, I suggest you learn how to play the short side. And if you're going long on some tech positions, well, I'm not so sure this is a good time to average down yet. All right. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow.